Hoister up, crew, and batten down the hatches. Today we got a special video. We are unboxing our Rudder Craft Kick-Up rudder for a 1973 Venture of Newport. So the reason why we want this is for the kick-up portion. Our original rudder was a solid design and we've lost it a few times. One time in particular, we were motoring in the Keys, and even though our boat only drafts 18 inches, the rudder sticks out further than that. And we hit some sand and the rudder popped off. Luckily it floated. We just grabbed it, threw it in the boat. The second reason we're getting this is this new kick-up rudder from Rudder Craft is a hydrofoil design. It'll reduce our weather helm, which is notoriously bad for the McGregor Ventures of Newports. So basically, as we're going down, our front end gets pushed over, and even though our rudder and tiller is all kicked over, our front end still comes over. This will hopefully fix that issue. Yep. So let's go open the box. We'll see what comes in it, all the hardware, and let's get to it. All right, let's go ahead and open up this box. Yeah, what's in the box? Alright, first make it that side. Oh yeah, cheaped out on the razor blade, I see. All the money went to the rudder. That's a nice, well-packaged rudder. If you wish to get one of these for your boat, www.ruddercraft.com. Really helpful people. I've had to call them a few times because all the orders are custom made. So you give them the measurements and each one is custom made to what you need. Okay, get that razor blade. We also did get the epoxy tiller. We got so many other projects going on. Didn't really have the time to also treat the rudder or the tiller handle. They definitely package everything very nice. Not only it was in its own separate box, but it has foam on the ends. Okay, so here's the nice epoxy treated tiller handle. It's got a little handle on the back. That's bigger than the picture. Not as heavy as it looks though. So we got some hardware here. Got the Gungans. pull it up with. Durable plastic. Cardboard box out. Foam block there to protect everything. Get the razor blade. This is the assisted gas strut here. Makes it a lot easier to get out. Looks like we have a nice little locking cleat right here. Right now it's in the folded up position. It would mount to the back of the boat like this. These would go into some holes on the back of the boat, and this would come down to go into the water. Just a quick recap here of the unboxing. As you saw in the video, this thing was packaged perfectly. No issues during shipping. Everything was wrapped, cushioned. Rudder Craft was great to work with as well. We had to go back and forth with several angle changes that we wanted. One issue that we found early on is the black cap on the back had a groove cut in due to the rope being pulled. We fixed this in a later video where we put a pulley down there that seemed to slightly affect the pull angle. Here you can see another issue, that the bolt allows the head to the base to pivot. Also in that same later video where we did the rope repair, I had my buddy Charlie at Weld for Beer weld that together, so now there's no movement. Here you can see how the mechanism works. There's two pulleys, and this allows one rope to pull the rudder up and to pull the rudder down. Here's a quick sail video of the new rudder. We did notice a slight decrease in weather helm and a little bit more control on the rudder. Well, crew, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and comment. Let us know what you think. It's a pretty early video for us. We're glad to finally get it out, and we'll see you out there, crew. Bye.